Hi, I'm John Henry, the Changeover Wizard at Changeover.com with this month's changeover tip from Fran Industries. In food, pharma, and other industries, you'll need to wash machine parts during changeover. In the first place, you should have duplicate parts so you don't have to wait for the washing to complete. They pay back quick. Say the cost of additional parts is $50,000. Management's going to balk at spending that money. But if your cost of downtime is $10,000 an hour and you can save an extra 10 minutes a day, 5 days a week on changeover, that's a bit more than $8,000 a week of savings, or less than a 7-week payback on the $50,000. Most management's going to call you a genius. Even if you externalize part washing, your washroom still needs to be lean. A few months ago, I recommended dishwashers for parts washing, and these or industrial washers are very useful. If you still need to do the traditional hand scrubbing in a sink, let's look at some ideas to simplify and speed that up. Start with the sink. A lot of washroom sinks hold 20 to 30 gallons but have a standard drain and faucet. That means a lot of time wasted waiting for the dirty water to drain and the fresh water to fill. Make sure that these are oversized so the sink can drain and fill in a few minutes. Add a thermostat for the right water temperature and a level control valve. Now the operator can do other things while the sink is filling. There's probably a specific detergent water mixture required. Add a permanent line in the sink to show the specified water level. Don't rely on the operator's eyeball to get it approximately right. Be sure to have sideboards or alternatively rolling racks on both sides of the sink. This allows the operator to stage the dirty parts on one side and clean parts on the other. Be sure the clean and dirty sides are clearly marked, and if there's more than one sink or more than one washroom, standardize the flow from dirty to clean sides throughout the plant. Consider a 3-sink solution. Sink 1 is left empty and a hand sprayer is used to loose residue off the parts and down the drain. Sink 2 contains the cleaning solution and is where scrubbing and washing take place. Sink 3 is empty and used for final rinse of the parts. Several companies make detergents in water-soluble bags. Instead of guessing the right amount of detergent, the operator tosses the entire bag in the correct amount of water. If this isn't feasible, pre-measure detergent in plastic bags or bottles and store them above the sink. Got small parts like nuts, bolts, or O-rings? Use a small wire mesh basket to prevent having to fish for them in the sink. It may be possible to wash them completely without ever removing them from the basket. Scrubbing may be required to remove stubborn residue. There are a lot of different brushes available. Make sure you have a good selection for the operator to choose from. Round, small, big, hard, soft, you need them all to do a good cleaning. Scotch-Brite pads are also helpful for really stubborn residue. Bartenders know the benefits of having a powered brush. These are sold for cleaning glasses, but are just as good for cleaning parts. They go under the water in the sink and the operator just holds the part up against the rotating brushes. Once everything's washed, it needs to be placed on a cart in order of assembly to minimize handling on the line. If the parts need drying, the cart can be placed in a drying room or under an air hood with an elevated temperature. Even faster drying can be achieved by dehumidifying the warm air. Your washroom is just as much a part of your production as every other process. Don't forget about it when you're making everything else lean. Fran won't forget about you either. With over 1 million square feet of machinery for rental, lease, or sale, they'll keep your production moving no matter what. Give them a call at 630-283-8980 or visit them online at frangroup.com. changeovers.com. Better yet, visit their plant in Carroll Stream, Illinois, just minutes from O'Hare Airport. I'm John Henry, and I'll see you next month with another changeover tip. Thanks for watching.